Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of office essentials with a product that's garnered quite a reputation. The BETCKEY compatible address labels replacement for Brother DK12013. If you're on the hunt for the best Brother DK12013 label replacement in the market, you've come to the right place. Stick around as we unpack everything you need to know about these labels. The BETCKEY compatible address labels are designed to be the perfect companion for your Brother QL label printers. With 10 rolls and 4,000 labels in total, this package ensures you're stocked up for all your labeling needs. Whether you're in a busy office environment or managing shipments from home, these labels promise efficiency and reliability. Let's delve into what makes these labels stand out. First up, the specifications. Each label measures 1.1 inches by 3.5 inches, providing ample space for addresses, barcodes, and more. The thermal direct technology ensures crisp, clear printing without the need for ink or toner, making them not only cost-effective but also eco-friendly. Compatibility is key when it comes to label printers, and the BETCKEY labels shine here. They're 100% compatible with a range of Brother QL models including the QL500, QL700, and even the high-capacity QL1110NWB. This versatility means you won't have to worry about compatibility issues, no matter which Brother QL printer you use. Moving on to build quality, these labels are engineered with a patented adhesive that offers robust stickiness, ensuring your labels stay put even under extreme conditions from freezing temperatures to scorching heat. Say goodbye to labels peeling off mid-transit. Wondering where you can use these labels? The applications are endless. From addressing envelopes and packages to creating barcode labels for inventory management, these labels are designed to handle it all. Plus, they're fade and smear resistant, guaranteeing your barcodes remain scannable until delivery. One standout feature is the inclusion of 2 pre-installed refillable cartridges. This not only reduces the risk of misprints and alignment issues but also saves you time during high-volume printing sessions. Simply load a new roll whenever needed. Easy, efficient, and cost-effective. And let's not forget about customer support. BETCKEY stands behind their product with lifetime free support via various channels. Whether you prefer reaching out via Amazon messages, email, or even phone calls, assistance is just a click or call away. Wrapping up, if you're in the market for reliable, high-quality address labels that won't break the bank, the BETCKEY compatible address labels replacement for Brother DK12013 should be at the top of your list. From their impeccable print quality to their robust adhesive and user-friendly design, these labels tick all the boxes. That concludes our review of the BETCKEY compatible address labels replacement for Brother DK12013. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews. Have any questions or experiences with these labels? Drop them in the comments below. Until next time, happy labeling!